Welcome to BrainCert. In this video, we'll walk you through how to integrate other platforms like Google Sheets, email automation tools, and CRMs with BrainCert action events using Pabbly Connect. Let's start by logging into your Pabbly account. First, click on Create Workflow, insert the action's name, and hit Create. Now, choose your Trigger App Search Sheets and select it. In this case, select Webhook by Pabbly and set the trigger event to New or Updated Spreadsheet Row. Pabbly will generate a webhook URL copy that to your clipboard because you'll need it in the next step. Now we need to install Pabbly extensions. Switch over to your Google Sheet file where you're managing trigger events. Go to the top menu and click Extensions. Search Pabbly Connect webhooks and click Install. Go to Initial Setup. Paste the webhook URL you copied earlier. Enter your last trigger column name and click Send Test, then Submit. Now go back to your Pabbly workflow and scroll down to add the app. Choose BrainCert as your action app and pick the action event you need. Pick the action event you need and click Connect. Then choose Add New Connection. Now we need an API key to integrate BrainCert. Log into BrainCert account, go to Global Settings, then select Extensions. Scroll down and enable Pabbly integrations. Copy the API key and click Save. Now step ahead to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key in the required area and click Save. Finally, the action event has been successfully connected. Once connected, it's time to set up the action fields. Choose the appropriate username and insert the student's email by mapping it from your Google Sheet data. When you're done, click Save and Send Test Request to make sure everything is working properly. To confirm, head over to your BrainCert dashboard. Click People, select Users. Check the list. You should see the given username and email appear if everything's set up correctly. Don't forget to save your workflow in Pabbly and test it with real data before going live. And that's it! You've just built a smart automation using Pabbly Connect and BrainCert. This workflow can save you tons of time by keeping your learners informed without manual effort. For more tutorials like this, explore our Help Center or reach out to BrainCert support.